I'm going to jump, but not with my camera. Okay. See you down there. Let's go.
Going to a wedding or a hike?
I'm going to my best friend's wedding. It's like, I mean, it's been a while. We didn't see each other.
Oh my god.
But the rock is really slippery. Guys, if you come here, I highly recommend you wear normal shoes. Not normal shoes, the shoes for hiking. Not this one. Huh? 哎，哈？还要这么远？还好啊。你前面有看到一个很像废弃铁屋的那个地方，往那个地方走。So when you first enter this jungle, you have to where this is bar like a door,
A gate.
Oh yeah, there's a gate, and you should enter from the right one and yeah.
Why did you not bring a
Backpack?
backpack? I see you went shopping.
Oh yeah, this
Went shopping.
is, I don't know how to get across this. I don't trust you. I don't trust him either. So after you enter in there, you follow the track, right? And you'll find this how do you say that? This 绳子. How do you say that? Rope? Yeah. You'll find this rope and you just... Huh? Oh, Snapchat? Hello people from Snapchat. Welcome back to Taiwan News. Right. So seems like we're in the right path. Yeah, it's right there. Looking good, y'all. So when you arrive, this is pretty much what this looks like. The boy is here. 你说什么？帮你拍一张照。好。等一下，wait. I know what you're thinking. I sent it to her already and then says nice. And you came down from where? There. Oh, wrong way. This way. Here, you came down here. So we're going to jump out. So here's where you jump out. Fuck. I'm fear of height. Here. You jump out from here. You jump out from here. Alright. Guys, I'm going to jump. I'm going to jump. But not with my camera. Okay. See you down there.
Even when you are growing up. Oh my, broken heart. Nobody's gonna save her now.
Oh my god.
pen is... Jump. I just met them. They're leaving. But the place is so nice. Look around. Guys, I'm going down. Hurry up! Don't be a pussy! Go!
best, but
Jack, you will come here on a sunny day. Bye bye.